Hey guys, it's Tony from the Carlotta Group. We're back here with Brett, and we're talking Marshalltown construction. So some exciting things happening out in Marshalltown.
We're so looking forward to that, to have that brand there and the amount of inventory coming in. And then Marshalltown in itself is just huge. I think it's around 30,000. We're going to have a lot of people to take care of there.
Yeah, so we've got quite a few buildings going up out there. Most importantly, the ones that are going to open sometime later this year, which is the oil change center and then the new car wash. Talk to me a little bit about that.
We're really looking forward to that, to really be able to service the people in that area. It's almost like we're kind of duplicating what we've got going on here in Ankeny in Marshalltown.
Yeah, so we'll have brand new state-of-the-art sales, parts, accessories, service center, and we're adding a collision center on top of it. A lot of great things happening in Marshalltown. You know, if you're out in the area, stop by, check it out, look at the progress, and hopefully we'll be opening a couple buildings here soon.